In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable and save it as a simple backup. To get started, open Airtable and go to the base you want to export. A base is the main container that holds your tables and information, so make sure you're in the correct one before downloading anything. Taking a moment to confirm this at the beginning can help you avoid exporting the wrong data and having to repeat the process later. Once you're inside the right base, choose the table or specific view you want to download. This is important because Airtable exports the data from the view you currently have selected. If you only want a filtered set of records, make sure that view is already set up the way you want it. If you need the full table, switch to a view that shows all records before moving on. Next, click the View drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to options related to the current table or view, including the export option. Take your time here and make sure you're clicking in the correct menu, especially if you're working quickly or switching between multiple tabs. From that menu, choose Download CSV. Airtable will generate a CSV file, which is a common spreadsheet format that works well for backups and can be opened in many different programs. The file will usually download automatically to your computer's default downloads folder, so if you don't see it immediately, check there first. If your base contains more than one table that you want to back up, repeat the same process for each additional table. Open the next table or view, go back to the drop-down menu, and download another CSV. Keep in mind that Airtable exports one table or view at a time, so repeating this step is necessary when you want a more complete backup of the base. After the files have downloaded, open each CSV in Excel or Google Sheets. This helps you confirm that the export worked correctly and that the data looks complete and readable. It's a good habit to quickly scan the columns and rows so you can catch any issues right away. Finally, save the CSV files in your backup folder. Keeping all of your exported files in one organized location makes them easier to find later and helps you maintain a reliable record of your data. If you back up regularly, using clear file names and storing everything in the same folder can make the process much easier over time.